Error 12. Welcome to this video. I'm sorry you're facing difficulties, but we are going to fix this error 12 super quick and easy. Let's start with explaining the error itself. Error 12 tells you that the pressure on the manometer is or was higher than 2.5 MPa. The reading on the manometer must be between 1.2 and 2.2 MPa. Normal operation pressure is 1.6 MPa. Now we know what error 12 indicates, let's see how we can fix this. Error 12 can occur when the refrigerant pressure is too high when not enough water flows through the unit. Check the water flow from the water outlet pipe. You can do this using a bucket and a stopwatch. Please see on the screen the correct water flow for your Opticlimate. When the water flow of the water outlet is okay, please follow the following 3 steps. 1. Check water supply. 2. Check the water filter. 3. Adjust the water flow. Firstly, check the water supply of the water inlet pipe. Find the water inlet pipe at the back side of the Opticlimate. Secondly, open the Opticlimate at the right side and check the water filter. Thirdly, adjust the water flow using a flathead screwdriver. Please note, when using more than one Opticlimate on one water line, make sure they don't affect each other regarding water flow. Make sure other water appliances don't affect the water flow, such as toilet, shower, etc. Now, press and hold the R button to erase error 12 from your Opticlimate control panel. I hope all worked out well for you and that the error has now been resolved. Should you require any additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us.